Now the next rule is subtraction rule. What is this subtraction rule? The subtraction rule is like this. So let us assume this is basically the summation rule where non-disjoint set you have. This is a summation rule where you have non-disjoint set. So let's assume you have a set and here you have A, B, C, and you have another set where you have C, D, E. Then tell me, this is your set A, this is your set B. How many total elements in A union B? How many total elements in A union B? Total elements in A union B. That will be number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. But if I do this, then this C I have counted 2 times. C counted 2 times. Yes or no? C counted 2 times. C I have counted 2 times. How many times I should count C? How many times I should count C? I have counted C 2 times. Means this is over counting. How many times I should count C? So only 1 time. So what I will do? I will remove these common elements. Means these common elements I will remove 1 time. These common elements I will remove 1 time. So answer will be 3, number of elements in A 3, number of elements in B 3. But this C I have counted, this element, this common element I have counted 2 times. I have counted 2 times. So I will remove it 1 time. So the answer will be 5. So this is the idea that if you have any set, let's assume you have set A, set B. This is your set A and this is your set B. Then what is the number of elements in A union B? That will be number of elements in A. So you count all the elements in A, you count, plus number of elements in B, you count all the elements here. If I do this, then these elements, how many times I have counted these elements? This is A intersection B. How many times these elements I have counted? Every element I have counted 2 times. Every element here, I have counted 2 times. So I will remove this area. These elements, number of elements here I will remove 1 time. Is this clear to everyone? Because everything you have counted 2 times. Okay, so you can notice these common elements. Sorry for that. These common elements you have counted 2 times. So what I will do? From the total, I will remove them 1 time. Is this clear? So this is the idea. This is called subtraction rule. So first you are including, then you are excluding. Can I say this? That first you are including. Here we are including. This is known as inclusion. First we are including them 2 times. Then we are excluding them. First we are including them, then we are excluding them. So this is called subtraction rule, or you can call it inclusion-exclusion of 2 set. Inclusion-exclusion of 2 set. It means you have 2 set A, B, and I can say that what is the number of elements, total number of elements? That will be number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. But the common elements I have counted 2 times, so I will remove them 1 time. Let's see this question. You have an undergraduate computer science students in a class. Okay, 43 have taken C250. This is a course. 52 have taken C216. 20 have taken both. No student has taken any other course. Then how many total students you have? So you can notice that some students have taken this course C250. Some students have taken this course C216. So how many students have taken this course? 43 students have taken this course. This course is taken by 52. And how many students have taken both of them? Both of them have been taken by 20 students. So okay, and the question is saying no student has taken any other course. So how many students total? Now how many students you have? Total how many students in this class you have? So finally answer will be 43 plus 52 minus these students, minus these. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, what about this one? 350 applications you got, total 350 applications you got for a job, and now you are saying that 220 are computer science people, 140 are business people, 51 they are both computer science and business people. How many people are neither in computer science nor is in business? How many are neither in computer science nor in business? So this question is saying like this. So total applications that came, see, total applications that came is 350. 350 applications came, total 350 applications we got. Okay, from these 350 applications, computer science applications were 220. 220 computer science applications were there. Okay, and 147 business applications were there, and 15 applications have both business comma 51. Now the question is saying how many are here, means neither. So this is what the question is asking. The question is asking this. So the answer will be how many, neither CS. So neither CS nor business. What that will be? Nor business. Neither CS nor business. That will be total applications minus computer science union business. So from total applications, you remove computer science union business. So that will be your answer. So answer will be, okay, so the answer will be 350. From 350 you remove, what do you remove? You remove 220 plus 147 minus 51. Minus 51. Because remember, these people you have counted 2 times. When you count computer science people, when you count business people, then these people you have counted 2 times. So you have to remove them 1 time. So the answer will be 350 minus 220 plus 147 minus 51. So this will be your answer. You don't have to calculate the final answer. In the combinatorics, remember, you don't have to calculate the final answer. That you have to do in the exam. But in the combinatorics, you should leave it as it is. Why? Tell me why. Because it will tell you what is the method you applied. Don't calculate the final answer, just calculate this. Because it will tell you what is your process. It will tell you the process. Okay, tell me about this one next. How many bit strings of length 8? Either they start with 1 or they end with 2 bits 0, 0. Either they start with 1 or they end with 0, 0. So you want 8. Okay, remember, you want 8 length bit string. 8 length you want. 8 length you want. So either they start with 1. Either they start with 1 or they end with 0, 0. Either they start with 1 or they end with 0, 0. How many starting with 1? How many will start with 1? How many will start with 1? So these are starting with 1. So the first position is fixed. The first position is fixed. So how many starting with 1? That will be starting with 1. That will be 2 power 7. Starting with 1. Okay, ending with 00. That will be 2 power 6. Ending with 00. That will be your 2 power 6. And you have over here. So final answer will be what? You have over here. So final answer will be 2 power 7 plus 2 power 6. Is this correct? Is this correct? This thing is wrong. Why? This thing is wrong. Why? See, you got or, but are they disjoint? Are they disjoint? Tell me, are they disjoint? Are they disjoint? Can I say they are disjoint? Starting with 1, ending with 0, 0. Are they disjoint? They are not disjoint. Okay, because you can notice that this is wrong, because not disjoint. They are not disjoint, remember. So what is the correct answer now? What will be the correct answer? You want 8 length. You want 8 length. So what you do? You count this you count this, you add them, but you subtract what? But you remove what? You remove this type of things. You remove the common things. Yes or no? You remove the common things. Okay, so these things are 2 power 7. These things are 2 power 6. You remove the common things. Because remember, these things, they start with 1, they end with 0, 0. They are starting with 1, so you have counted them here. They are ending with 0, 0, so you have counted them here. So you have counted them 2 times, here and here. 2 times you have counted. Here also, 2 times you have counted. So you remove them 1 time. How many people? How many strings? 2 power 5. So the answer will be what? Finally, the answer will be 2 power 7 plus 2 power 6 minus 2 power 5. This will be your answer. Is this clear to everyone? So remember, please remember, whenever you apply summation rule, this you are applying summation rule. Wherever you apply summation rule, please remember, don't forget about this. Please do not forget about this disjoint. These 2 conditions you must have, this one condition and this second condition. But this second condition is not satisfied. So you cannot directly add. You have to remove the common elements. You count starting with 1, you count ending with 0, 0. But what are the common things? The common things are starting with 1 and ending with 0, 0. These are the common things. So you have to remove them. So you add them, remove them. Tell me about this one. How many bit strings of length 8 begin with 0, 0 or end with 1, 0, 1? What will be the answer here? Begin with 0, 0. You want 8 length. Okay, either they begin with 0, 0 or they end with 1, 0, 1 or they end with 1, 0, 1. Are they disjoint? These 2, are they disjoint? They are not disjoint. So you add these 2, but you remove the common things. Please remove the common things. Common things means starting with 0, 0 and ending with 1, 0, 1. These common things you remove. Okay, so how many starting with 0, 0? So that will be 2 power 6. Ending with 1, 0, 1, 2 power 5. And this will be 2 power 3. So finally answer will be this. Okay, so this is your final answer. 2 power 6 plus 2 power 5 minus 2 power 3. Let's do one more question. Starting with 0, 0. Okay, so you want 8 length bit strings. Let's assume you want 8 length bit strings. Starting with 0, 0 or starting with 1, 0, 1. Tell me what is the answer now? Starting with 0, 0 or starting with 1, 0, 1. Now are they disjoint? Starting with 0, 0 or starting with 1, 0, 1. Are they disjoint? You want 8 length. You want 8 length. Either they start with 0, 0 or they start with 1, 0, 1. Are they disjoint? Yes, of course they are disjoint, right? There is nothing common. These are starting with 0, 0. These are starting with 1, 0, 1. They are nothing common. They are disjoint. These 2 are disjoint. These 2 are disjoint. So the answer will be what? So you want 8 length. Either you want this or you want this. And you can notice, yes, they are disjoint. So finally answer will be what? How many here? 2 power 6. How many here? 2 power 5. So the final answer will be this. 2 power 6 plus 2 power 5. This is correct. Next, the next question, in the same sequence, either starting with 0, 0 or starting with 0, 0, 0. Now, either it should start with 0, 0 or it should start with 0, 0, 0. Now what? Now what? Either they should start with 0, 0 or they should start with 0, 0, 0. See, one thing you can notice, tell me, if you calculate all of them, then automatically this is done. This question is done as soon as you calculate them, because there is or here, there is or here. So as soon as you calculate them, your question is done. But you can do like this. See, you want 8 length. You want 8 length. Either they should start with 0, 0, or they start with 000. Are they disjoint? Are they disjoint? They are not disjoint. They are not disjoint. So what is common? So you have to remove the common. What is common? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what is common? The common is starting with 000. This is common. Starting with the 000. This is common. So can you notice? This will remove this. Basically, it's like this. You have 2 power 6 here. You have 2 power 5 here. And you have 2 power 5 here. So 2 power 6 plus 2 power 5 minus 2 power 5. 2 power 6 plus 2 power 5 minus 2 power 5. Answer will be 2 power 6. Remember, actually, this is nothing. This thing actually, this is nothing. Because see, starting with 0, 0, if these are starting with 0, 0, 0, then these are also starting with 0, 0. So remember here, because any string that will start with 000, that will also start with 00. So this is like superset. This is like a superset. Which 8 length string will start with 00, 000? Means common. Common means it should start with 00 and it should start with 000. So what is common? What is common between them? Starting with 000. Okay. So this is your Venn diagram. Any string that will start with 000, that will automatically start with 00. But this string, you can notice this string does not start with 000. But if any string will start with 000, for example, this string will start with 000. This is also starting with 00. So are you getting my point? So basically here, you only have to count this. Only you have to count 2 power 6. So like this you can. So whatever variation I give you, can you handle? Like starting with 00 or starting with 10. Now, so either starting with 00 or starting with 10. So now these are disjoint. So either you start with 00 or you start with 10. So now they are disjoint. These two are disjoint. Now they are completely disjoint. So either you can start with this or you can start with this. So your final answer will be what? 2 power 6 plus 2 power 6. This will be the answer. 2 power 6 plus 2 power 6. And that is 2 power 7. Okay. And tell me about this one. Tell me about this one. So that is answer is 0. For this answer is not possible, means 0. And tell me the answer here. Now tell me the answer. Starting with 00 and starting with 000. Starting with 00 and starting with 000. And starting with 000. So these are nothing but starting with 000. These are nothing but starting with 000. Okay. So every string that will start with 00 and it will start with 000. So that is nothing but starting with 000. So that will be 2 power 5. All these points, are they clear to everyone? See, understand the question. Array technique, this answer is a different thing. Forget about answer. First you understand the question at least. Understand what question is saying. They can give you any question. Let's find out palindrome. How many palindromes are there? Like madam is a palindrome. Okay, this madam word is a palindrome. What is a palindrome? So can anyone tell me what is a palindrome? In Hindi, it is called like, okay, ulta sida ek saman. Okay, some, you know, in some like palindrome. For example, this word is a palindrome. For example, this word is a palindrome. For example, this is a palindrome. For example, this is a palindrome. For example, this is a palindrome, this is a palindrome. Okay, so these are palindrome. Palindrome is like a word whose reverse is same as river. Means palindrome is a word whose reverse is same as itself. A word whose reverse is same as itself. Reverse is same as itself. Reverse is same as itself. So this is the idea, palindrome. And you can notice palindrome is not a palindrome, right? Yes or no? Palindrome is not a palindrome, correct? Palindrome is not a palindrome. Is not a palindrome. Okay, so you can notice this palindrome is actually not a palindrome. Okay, anyway. So I don't know why they call it palindrome, because this is not palindrome. Anyway, I don't know why they call it. So anyway, so let's see. So how many k length palindrome you can create from? So let's see it one by one. So tell me how many 4 length palindrome, 4 length English palindrome. So let's check it out. 4 length English palindrome, English words, English palindrome words. 4 length English palindrome words. How many are there? How many we have? 4 length English palindrome words. So because you have English palindrome words 4 length, tell me one thing. Very interesting thing will happen. See, if I put something here, how many ways? There are 26 choices. There are 26 choices. I can put, for example, let me put k here. Now how many choices here? If I put k here, now how many choices here? Only one choice. Don't say 0 choice. Only one choice we have here. If I put now again I have 26 choices. Again I can put anything. Again I can put anything. Now if I put z here, automatically z will become here. So there will be 20. There will be only one choice. Here there will be only one choice. So the answer will be what? So the answer will be 26 square. Okay, so this is the idea. So tell me how many k length? How many k length? Let's assume k is even. Let's assume k is even. How many k length English palindrome words? English palindrome words. How many k length English palindrome words you have? Where k is even. So because k is even, okay, so it is like this. So there are some, like here k is even. So here I can say that for the k by 2 positions, for the k by 2 positions you have choice. Okay, this is 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, k by 2 position. Till k by 2 position you have choice. Here you have 26, here you have 26, here you have 26, and here you have 26. So you can notice that here you have choice. Do I have choice here? Tell me. There is no choice here. It will be automatically filled. It will automatically fill it. Okay, for this only one choice. Because whatever you put here, that will automatically reflect. That will automatically reflect. So answer will be 26 power k by 2. If k is odd, then what will be the answer? If your k is odd, you can take, for example, k is 5 or something. If k is odd, now what will happen? For example, if k is 5, let's assume k is 5. Now, if k is 5, then for how many positions you have choice? Here you have 26, here you have 26, here you have 26. Here you don't have choice. Okay, here you have one choice. So I can say for how many positions you have choice? So 26 power, that will be k plus 1 by 2. I can say k plus 1 by 2. I can say k plus 1 by 2. Correct? Yes or no? So this is the idea. Now can you merge both of them? This is saying k by 2. This is saying k plus 1 by 2. And if I just tell you k length, if I just directly give you k length, then what will be your answer? K length palindromes, English palindromes. K length English palindromes. Means odd comma even. Can you accommodate both of them? Odd comma even. Both of them you need to accommodate. So you can accommodate by, okay, 2 power k seal seal by 2, k seal by 2, 2 power k seal. What is this seal? Let me just tell you actually what is this seal function. What this means, it's like this. For example, if I ask you what is the seal of 3.2, then that will be 3. Seal means it will just take you to the integer, to the larger integer. Okay, it will just take you to the larger integer. And if I take you floor, floor means 2. This is known as seal. It will take you, this is known as seal, you can notice. This is known as seal. And this is known as floor. Okay, this is known as, sorry. So 3.2 is seal, with that will be 4. 3.2 floor will be 3. Okay, so seal basically takes you just like, for example, if you are here, for example, 3.2, if you are here, then seal will take you here. Okay, remember, seal will take you here. And the floor will take you here. So they will take you to the nearest integer. They will take you to the nearest integer. Seal will take you to the larger nearest integer. Floor will take you to the shorter nearest integer. For example, okay, just tell me, if you are here, minus 2.2, what seal will do? What seal will do? Seal will take you to the larger nearest integer. Larger nearest integer, that is minus 2. That is minus 2. And floor will take you, remember, seal will take you here. And floor will take you here. This floor will take you to the nearest smaller integer. Nearest smaller integer, that will be minus 3. So remember, seal will take you to the nearest smaller, to the nearest larger integer. Nearest larger integer. Floor will take you to the nearest smaller integer. Okay, for example, if you are here, then what is the seal of 4? Nearest smaller, nearest larger integer. That is 4 itself. Because this itself is an integer. This itself is an integer. So floor comma seal, they will take you here. Means floor will also take you here only, and seal will also take you here only. Is this clear? Is this point clear? Floor comma seal. So for any integer you will just, okay, nothing will change. Okay, so this will be your answer. You can just check it out. Yeah, sorry, that will be k by 2 seal, k by 2 whole seal. So that will be whole k by 2 whole seal. Okay, yeah, this will be correct. Okay, so this will be your answer. K by 2 whole seal. You can check it out. If k is even, then it will be simply like this. If k is odd, then it will be simply like this. So your answer will be 26 power k by 2 complete seal. Let me tell you that in the GATE exam or in any exam, they will expect you to know these things. Know these things. Please, you know these things. Okay, first of all, you should know about the cards. You should know about the cards. In cards, you have 4 suits. Every suit has three cards of every suit. 3 cards of every suit. So you should know about cards game. In cards, you have total 4 suit. Total, you have 4 suit. And what are those 4 suit? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what are those 4 suit? There is a diamond. There is a club. There is a, what is another? There is heart. And there is spade. So there are basically there are four suits, means 4 types: diamond, club, hearts, spade. And we have 13 cards of each suit. And these 13 cards, these are from 2 to ace. These are from 2 to jack, queen, king, ace. Okay, so this is the idea. So 13 cards like 2, 3, and so on, 10, j and so on. So you should know about, let me tell you, I promise you one thing, that in the GATE exam or in any other exam, they assume that you understand all these things. Also, what you should know. So this is about cards. So please know these things today. Okay, go on the internet and check it out. You don't have to understand how to play. You don't have to understand how to play, but you should understand what are the things, what are the things called. In cards game there are 4 suits: diamond, club, hearts, spade. 30 cards of every suit, and these are 2 okay, 2 3 10, like 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then you have JK, king, ace. Next you should know about coins. In a coin you have two sides. In a coin you have two sides. One is head, another is tail. On coin you have these two sides, head comma tail. The third thing that you should know, the third thing that you should know is ludo, or I can say dice. For a dice you have 6 sides. On a dice you have 6 sides, and these sides are 1 to 6. These are marked as 1 to 6. So on a dice you have these things. Next, the next game you should understand is chess. Chess board. Basically you should know about chess board. On chess board we have this is a 8 by 8 matrix. This is a, normally by default this is 8 by 8 matrix.